Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss how to create Google Hangout Meet. Google Meet. How to initiate a meeting in Google Meet. And first we'll explain how to create a meeting at the just a minute before the meeting. Like how you can initiate the meeting. And the second section we'll discuss on how to schedule a meeting. That is prior to the meeting, sometime before the meeting you are scheduling it. Okay. So first we need to go to the web browser, that is Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, whatever you are using. And first thing you need to do is to log into your Gmail ID, the IMCAL ID. Right now, as you can see, I have already logged in to my IMCAL mail ID. So I'll ignore that and I'll directly go to meet.google.com. So just a minute. Yeah. So as you can see that I have already created a meeting. Like this is the home screen. Okay. So meet.google.com is the site that you need to go to, and after that you just need when you like when we log in, uh, you will get this screen, and you need to click on this plus sign. Okay, it will ask for your code, that is any nickname or something. So over here you need to put a nickname. Okay, that is ideally be the subject code. That is, so I'm taking BA202. Okay, and click on continue. I'm stopping the camera because I'm recording this using a camera and there will be a clash for that. But you need not do this. Okay. So now we can click on join now. So as you click on join now, this is my code. You need to click on copy joining info. You have copied it. Now it is exactly same as Zoom. So what we need to do is now we can go to WhatsApp and paste it. So as soon as we do that, it will this code. Also, if you don't get this window, you can click over here and you can copy it from here. Okay. So after this, if you are presenting a screen, you can click here. Present your entire screen means your entire uh, whatever is open in your window, the entire screen can get presented. So whatever is open in your screen, that entire screen will be shown. That it is not like Zoom that we are presenting a particular screen. Is whatever you are seeing in your desktop screen or laptop screen, the same thing will be shown in the uh, to the audience. Okay, and if I click on our window, then I can select the particular window I need to show. Say, I want to show this window, so I'll directly click here. Okay, yes, so presenting now. So for participants, you click over here, and here the participant people will be there, and from here you can chat. Okay, you can type and you can send it. So that's all. This is a section for settings. So I think these sections basically full screen and these are there. So they will not be that much used by you all. So I'm not getting into the details, and that's it. As it is related to the, like, this is the part that is related to your creating a meeting and using, I mean, continuing in that meeting. And one more thing, that this you keep on having a like uh, you keep on watching this section, because it may happen that someone may mute you. So in that case, this will get red. So you need to click on this so that people can see you. Okay. Now we'll discuss how to schedule a meeting. So that is how to create a meeting prior to the class. So for that, what we do is we go to calendar.google.com. Okay. So this is the calendar.google.com window. Okay. As you can see that I have already created one. So say I will create a meeting at say uh, 2 2:30 p.m. So if I want to create a this is the time and these are the dates. So based on the date I want to create, say I will create a meeting at 1:30 on Monday. So I'll click in between 1 and 2. I'll click somewhere here. So I got 1:30 to 2:30. Okay. I can also change it from here if I wish to, and I will give it a title. So I'll write MB 205, and now I'll go to this section and click on it. Okay. So all you need to do is, for creating the meet, you just need to click on this one. Okay. As soon as you click on it, the Google Hangout meet is created. Now you need to do is, you just need to select this entire thing and copy it. Control C for copy, or you can copy. Now you need to paste it in your classroom. I mean, in your WhatsApp group to the students, for them to join. So this is it. Now you can just click on save, and this gets saved. So now you can click over here and see the details of it. Okay. You can change the timings if you wish to. Okay. So that's it. How we can create a Google Hangouts meet, and how we can, like, schedule a meeting in Google Hangout. So that's all. Thank you.